In this video, I'll show you how to record calls on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now these phones do come with an inbuilt call recording feature. So if when you receive a phone call, there you go. So a phone call like this one, and then you answer it, you should see this option to start recording. So all you want to do is tap on that particular option to start the recording from whatever point that you want to start it at. Now, if there are certain sections you don't want to record and others you do want to record, you can simply tap on that again, and that recording is going to be saved, and you'll see that on the notification just below there. And then you can continue recording at the point that you want to continue recording from. Now, once the call ends, you can simply end the call. And now, to find that recording, this is going to be your path, but to find that recording, simply go into the phone app and find that contact that you are recording the calls for, and tap on the I button. And then you want to scroll through and select call recordings. And this is where your call recordings are going to be found. You can also go into the voice recorder app. So simply scroll all the way down until you find recorder, tap on recorder, and you'll also find your call recordings there. And then you can play them or even share them or do whatever you want to do with them. But that's basically how to record calls on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.